Sexologists from Samadhan Health Studio bring to you a refreshing podcast, My Doctor Tells. Here you'll find solution to all common sex problems directly from the experts. Know about vaginismus, unconsummated sex, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, masturbation addiction, nightfall, and truths about several sexual myths. I am Dr. Hetal Gosalia in association with Dr. Ashok Kopade, and we have made all of this and much more available to you, all for free, no strings attached, no sign-ups, no mail IDs required at mydoctortells.com. In this talk, we throw light on the anxieties and fears experienced by the young minds who are going to get married or avoiding marriage. Studies have proven that a significant number of men and women have body image issues which might lead to all manner of anxieties when the time comes to slip between the sheets with that special person. Pre-marriage sexual anxiety is all about self and sexuality. Discover self and knowing about your own and your partner's sexuality is the key to a happy marriage life. We have divided this podcast into 3 phases. The first, in which we discuss the sexual queries the young minds have before marriage and address the man and woman individually in the next, and the treatment we at Samadhan Health Studio have adopted to help with the same by the end. Are you a man or a woman going to get married soon? Or are you a person procrastinating your marriage? Do you just turn down proposals whenever your parents ask you to get married? Or do you feel you will not be able to perform nice sexually? Are you having several sexual doubts about your or even your partner's sexuality? If any one of these is true for you, then you have arrived at the right place. It is a sexologist who would help you in these matters. So, if you are ready to grow confident and courageous before your marriage, have an open mind to listen to the medical facts and eradicate myths, let us begin. As we all know, it is easy to talk openly about likes, dislikes, understand each other's personality, and also about friends and family. Anything to everything under the sun is talked except sex. Yes, you heard it right, S-E-X. Sex. And this is because sex education is neither provided in the schools nor by the parents. Since adolescence, the only free education one receives is via pornographic movies, which is not the reality. So, to bridge the gap created by misconceptions, the right knowledge about sex is of utmost importance. The behind-the-door sexual doubts, concerns, fear, queries, are all addressed here with 100% privacy. If you prefer reading, do visit mydoctortells.com/PMSA. Now, we would focus on the anxieties of the man and woman individually. Men have fears cropping up from misconceptions about their penis size and erection quality. They also presume that the masturbation activity they are indulged into is causing harm to them. Boys generally come up with notions like, my penis is small and thin. My masturbation addiction has caused damage to my penis. Due to nightfall, there is a loss of energy. I come too quickly, or some are like, I take too long to reach orgasm. Some say, I failed when I tried sex with my beloved twice, now what? My penis isn't hard as it used to be and feels I won't be able to perform and satisfy my wife. What should I do? Many times boys are anxious since it is going to be their first time. There is a lot of anxiety with the thought of performing the sex act. This is known as performance anxiety. They may or may not have had a sexual experience before marriage, or they might have a bitter experience in the past, which adds on the anxiety. Some women fear sex because they are told by their friends that sex is painful. There could be initial bleeding as the hymen tears. This builds up a fear of pain blood, and intercourse. We come across girls who have not ever touched or fondled their vagina or clitoris out of fear. Such fears do not allow a woman to open up sexually, leading to lack of vaginal lubrication and fear of sex. She may simply not be having an interest in sex too. We here help the girl unlearn and relearn that sex is not painful, rather pleasuresome if done properly. We at Samadhan Health Studio take a detailed sexual history to find out what is the actual cause of your anxiety for not getting married. With our therapeutic expertise, we examine your sexual challenges and resolve them systematically and professionally. And if necessary, needful medicines are prescribed. Psychosexual therapeutic counseling helps the man and woman to achieve their aspirations and walk ahead looking for a healthy sexual relationship positively. This not only addresses the sexual concerns but also creates a supportive and educational environment. Here, individuals' fear and anxiety are dealt with. We focus on changing the unhelpful cognitive distortions and behaviors, and overcoming this helps to have a clear understanding of your sexuality. These are all under the umbrella pre-marriage sexual anxiety. Let me tell you, the brain is the biggest sexual organ. Happy and erotic moods are what one needs to enjoy sexually. Due to fear or anxiety, the mind is at unrest, which releases stress hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine. This is our body's fight and flight mechanism. This directly affects the sexual erotic mood, which adds to the pressure of performance. Remember, sex is not just a mechanical activity of the penis in the vagina for a minute or two and you are done. Whoever you are in bed with wants to be with you, that is, with the person who you are. So, we suggest you focus on overall pleasuresome activities which help develop a bond and explore yourself and your partner. If you would like to read about this in detail, do consider visiting mydoctortells.com/PMSA. Please do not suffer in silence. Visiting a sexologist will help you to have a healthy and intimate relationship with your partner. That is it for this episode. If you like what you heard, consider rating us on Google as Samadhan Health Studio, and do help us build a community where we help each other. Thank you for sticking till the end. This means a lot to us. Stay tuned and we will be back with yet another podcast very soon. For now, I am Dr. Hitul Gusalia in association with Dr. Ashok Koparde signing off.